Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to engage TikTok fans without the app. I will just open my TikTok application, but there is no way to engage TikTok fans without the app. You cannot get engagement without using different applications. So you will have to use apps if you want to fan engagement on TikTok. So I will just tell you how to. So you can just produce videos or post on platform like YouTube or Instagram that discuss TikTok trends, challenges, or tutorial of your product. If you have an online store, you can just post your product images, description, links on Instagram. This can attract viewers who are interested in TikTok content. So I will just tell you how to. I will just open my TikTok, and if I just post my if I have a decoration online store, I will just put a product image on Instagram, and I will just write the name of the product, and I will just tap on this emoji face, and from here what gonna do, I will just tap on this link. So you will just add your TikTok URL link, paste it here. I will just open my TikTok, and I just open it and copy the URL and simply paste it here and tab on done. So if I just post it here easily, so that can make engage fans. So when you are posting on Instagram by giving your TikTok link, the viewers of your Instagram will go to your TikTok profile when they click on your link right over here, and which will increase your fan engagement easily. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.